Hi guys, dito na ako sa Starbucks. Inside the airport, nakalampas ko lang ng immigration. Everything went so smoothly. It's my first time traveling alone, not traveling alone. Waiting lang for my boarding, pero it's too early pa. 11:36 a.m. and my boarding is at 1:25 pa. Pero yung flight ko is at 2 p.m. Dito na ako papalipas sa oras sa Starbucks. I tried to go down sa gate 15 pero wala pang tao. So, I have to wait. My mom's calling. Yeah. Everything went so smoothly as in yung immigration. Real quick, girl. Sobrang quick tayo. I'm so happy. So, first time traveling alone. I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna drink my coffee first and eat my cookie while waiting for my boarding. I only had 2 hours of sleep, so kailangan ko talaga ng coffee. Pero for sure, mag-sleep ako lang sa airplane, okay? Bye! Hello? Sabi lang, ano? Binigay ko yung
Ladies and gentlemen, we have started to descend towards Incheon International Airport.
Oo, yung may flower show. Okay. Let's go na. Para...
Laki.
I'm a vlogger now.
Kit, si Boss Madam.
Ticket ko.
Ang alis namin guys, ang dating ng bus guys, 2012.
Kumyang daw na.
Ba naman sa Myeongdong. Tayo kakain.
Tara makain, mga dito. Tara makain.
Guys, magkikita-kita na tayo sa kakainan namin. Peace out. Gusto na kami kakain guys. Madami siya. Kung di pa ito gimana? Alam ko na yan, trabaho na ako sa
So yummy. Yum. Huh?